Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and if you are new here, there is a red subscribe button down below that click to be notified every single time I have a new video. And if you're returning, hey, welcome back. As you saw by the title of this video and that little intro, we're going to a Christmas boat pageant parade thing. So literally the only reason why I'm going is because about a month or two ago, I don't remember the actual date, but it's been a while. I've known about this for about a month or so. They announced that the grand marshals of the parade is Fatone and Kirkpatrick from NSYNC. And you know, boy bands and me, like, that's my thing. So I'm literally gonna drive an hour north to Fort Lauderdale to go see them float by in a boat for 5 seconds because I was unable to figure out if there was gonna be like a meet and greet, like any type of thing. And trust me, I tried. I emailed the company that was that's like hosting the Winterfest company. They said no, that they didn't have anything, like blah 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 blah. I tried messaging, like hinting at Joey's manager, like, hey, like, is there any information? He just liked the message and never responded. So there was like a sponsored event thing last night at the Hard Rock Hotel, which I debated with just going and sitting in the Hard Rock Hotel and hoping to find them in the casino, but I didn't end up doing that. So yeah, I'm literally just gonna go see them for 5 seconds on a boat parade. But let's get going. This is the spot we found that's free. I mean, it's gonna go up and down this. I don't think I'll be able to see them, but like, we'll know they're on the boat, right? Not this big boat blocking my view. Guess I'll have to see it this way. Look at that. Why would they come and park this yacht in our way? Look how pretty. I mean, just there we go. Look at that. And look at these houses. These are like mansions. Still waiting for them to show up. A lot of people showed up in this area now. The camera doesn't do it justice. The lights darken it. Look, there we go. Look at the little one. The bridge is up, so it must be coming. That's a big boat. the one they're on. Yeah, he just said Joey.
I think we're too loud for the neighborhood.
I think it was Joey's song. Happy holidays, all. Hello, Pillsbury family. Happy holidays.
We see you. Hey.
Tag me and I'll like it.
11 p.m. We're coming over for biscuits.
Yes.
You know it.
Happy holidays.
That was Joey's voice right there.
And I mean it.
In all the condos.
Bad boys night.
Take those flashlights out if you're in the condos. We see you all the way up there. Wave us side to side.
Biscuits. I'm gonna put it
Get the biscuit. Now we got 2 flashlights. Put the biscuit in the basket.
That's correct.
We
That's
see you
Chris
all
and
the way
Joey's
up
voice
there.
right
Take out those flashlights. Make some noise over here. That's a great move. She loves you guys. Hey, thanks for having us. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Look all the way out there, all the way out there, all down. We see the lights.
I have a light.
Hey, if we can get those lights in sync, that'll be great.
Oh, I see that.
Well, we're just like in sync. No, I'm just plugging our album. That's right. Dream, yeah, got a dream right there. There you go, the mask.
Villas Hotel, where are you?
I'm the only one that knows
Raising
the
it.
music stuff. Let's drink to that.
Pillars.
The Pillars. The Pillars Hotel.
Pillars.
The Pillars Hotel. Pillars, tomatoes, potatoes, french fries. Pillars Hotel. Hey, happy Winterfest, everybody. Happy holidays. Hey, we got
They're
some great
standing
folks over
right
here.
there
You guys having a good
at the
time?
edge. They're standing right there.
Oh, yeah. I see some inmates in the snowman boat. There we go. Happy holidays, guys. I see you kids out over there. Happy holidays. That guy's rocking it Gundam style. You didn't feel like?
Let's go.
So sad, they're so far away.
We're coming over 11 o'clock, guys.
She's not joking around.
Not even. I'm gonna have a shuttle. We're gonna call this Winterfest 11 p.m.
It's gonna be it's like
Shuttle bus.
taxi cab discussion, but Winterfest.
Excuse me, you have room for all of us. I'll bring Joey and Chris.
What about
Bring
me?
it up.
Yeah, like a baker's dozen. Taylor, I can drive.
Look at all that fire pit. We have a
Oh, we need folks over here. You guys
And they're gone.
trying to get on the boat traffic. Here we go.
They're turning up the river. Oh my god. My name is Mobile Rock. We are broadcasting live right now. Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Winterfest Boat Parade. this means he's gonna get me copyrighted. That's Santa and his sleigh. What? Did you hear Santa? That's the party book right there. I mean, you can barely see it, but that's top deck. Right there is like a massive dance floor with a lot of people dancing. I like it, Yes. Yeah.
Everybody that's on the boat right now, you guys having a good time? Let me hear you make some noise. Put them up. Hey! All right, my turn.
Well, I am home now. I'm gonna edit it and see what kind of footage I can get. A lot of the boats, I mean, had copyrighted music, so I had to, you probably heard some boats because like some music was good, and like you saw Joey and Chris were talking. I talked during some clips, but my friend and her kid was her kid 4 years old was talking to me, and like, so like I'm muting a bunch of clips, which you guys probably don't need to know. I don't need to put this in, but it is what it is. I don't know. I feel like because we were so far back, like it just, like the footage isn't good, and I was recording on my iPhone 13. Next year, I need to make friends with somebody that has a boat in Fort Lauderdale or one of those mansions in the background, to be up close and personal, or find a different spot. I feel like there must have been some other spot around where would have been a better view. As we were leaving, we saw that people were on the bridge that, you know, it's like where the boats pass. Maybe next year, if depending on who the Grand Marshal is, or next time, whatever, maybe try getting on that and be closer. I don't know. I give it a 5 out of 10. And either way, I was only there for Joey and Chris. But I'm gonna go check their social medias now, probably give it an hour or two to give them time to post stuff and insert it. Joey's manager did post a picture. I probably posted it in again or now. I don't know. We'll see how I edit this, but they did post a picture of them on the boat. That's it for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, check out this video right above. If not, you can click over here in this little icon thing and I'll take you to my channel and you can find some other videos to watch. Go ahead. I'll wait. Also, are you subscribed? There's a button down below for you to subscribe.